We launched this program in response to the growing demand from the business across the industries and different disciplines. We are trying to equip our students with the technical skills that they need to collect, analyze, and help the leaders to make managerial decisions.
The Masters in Business Analytics is really geared to the graduate student who's looking for a potentially new avenue of using data in their businesses. Typically, the students will start the program with either 2 or 3 courses per semester. So we now offer the Masters in Business Analytics both for the online audience as well as for the international audience, which would include face-to-face classes.
It was a perfect fit for my lifestyle, especially because I'm remote and I work full-time, so I had a lot of flexibility to complete my studies, kind of on my own.
We have a very low faculty to student ratio, so we have students who are connected to their professors and know their professors and are able to talk to their professors and form a relationship, which doesn't stop at the classroom. It goes beyond the classroom.
With the small class sizes, you're really able to get to know your professor and come to them with questions, advice, and they're able to maybe recommend you to other people within the industry. They also give you the opportunity to do research with these professors.
There's also opportunities for students to interact with professors and get involved in their research. And I think that that's a great opportunity for students to talk about when they're on interviews, but they've actually had some practical exposure to real data.
I loved my experience in the MSBA program. I think I got a lot of really great technical skills as well as real-world business applications, which is really the goal of going for business analytics specifically.
It was a rare opportunity to take what I've learned in the classroom and really apply it to something that might be beneficial for the future.